Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. How can you use the creative and die storage baskets that both functional and stylish? How can you use these baskets to organize your home, office or workspace also? And how can you use these baskets to create a more sustainable home? All these things are discussed about in this video. Please keep watching this video till end, because in this video we discuss about the different amazing benefit of a storage basket. After this watching this video, you are capable to enable different amazing basket storage ideas, and you can manage your home things that is very amazing and functional and the very benefit for you. We discuss about the benefit of storage basket. The benefits of storage baskets in your home. You can use different amazing thing. The storage baskets are different versatile and you can use in any room for your home. Is a very amazing and masterpieces and very attractive this basket, because these baskets is made the different handmade materials and amazing thing, and different art is also included. The different storage baskets are available. They come in a variety of size, shapes and material to suit your needs. They can also use to store anything from the blankets and the pillows to different towel and the clothes also. They can be used to add the decorative touch to your home, because these baskets is very amazing and masterpieces of your home. In this video we discuss about the different types of baskets storage. The different storage waves. Woven's baskets are made the materials like the shagrins, rathers and the bamboo also used. Fabric baskets are made for the different cottons, linear and the canvas, and the white baskets also use different material, and the plastic baskets made for the durable material like the polypropylenes and the different rubber materials. And the different creative storage ideas, you can see and pick the ideas for your home, because in this video amazing things are discussed about. Let's start this video. The different dye friendly storage baskets are perfect for the dye enthusiastic who want to create their own handmade craft. Big things in the small space is very amazing advantages of these baskets. The storage baskets are a great way to store the big items in a small space. They came in a variety of a size and the shapes, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your home. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, like and subscribe, and you can share this video. These baskets are used for the home decorations. The storage baskets can be used as a decorative items in your home. They come in a variety of colors and materials, so you can easily find one that matches your home decors. You can also manage your room different storage things. The storage baskets can be used to add a touch of the elegance and the functionality to any room in your home. They can be used to store anything from the blankets and the pillows to different amazing clothes also. The types of different amazing wicker baskets also used. The wicker baskets are made from the natural materials such as willows, bamboo and the rattans. They are lightweight and durable and eco-friendly also. They came in a variety of shapes and size and are perfect for storage items such as the clothing, toys and the book also. Wire baskets and the wire baskets are made from the metals wires and are often used for the storing the items such as the fruits and vegetables and the kitchen's utility also and office supplies also you can keep. They are sturdy, durable and easy to clean. Plastic baskets. Plastic baskets are the lightweight, durable and easy to clean. Thank you for watching.